Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. To all my lovely subscribers, you are highly welcome, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Please make it stick by clicking on that red button and be part of this family. Today we're gonna be seeing how to make citrus fruit oil. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make it and different ways to use it, and also some benefits of citrus fruit oil. For this oil recipe, we're gonna be needing 3 oranges, 2 lemons, and 2 tangerines. And we're gonna be making use of their bark, their zest here. So that's what we're gonna be using. And I move ahead in bringing out the zest from the lemon. I also did same for the orange and tangerine. While we work on the zest, let's move ahead to see some of the benefits of citrus oil. Boosts mood. Number 1. Citrus oil are a wonderful way to enhance mood and emotional balance. They work on the brain's chemical and hormones, resulting in an improved mood. Let these aromatic oils brighten your mood. You can achieve this by mixing the citrus fruit oil with some other sweet smelling oil in a roll-on bottle and use on your body. Number 2. Antioxidant protection. Citrus oil contain antioxidant properties, help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are responsible for damage to cells and tissues. Antioxidants also help to relieve stress on immune system. In this case, citrus oil are perfect for facial oils. You can add them to your face masks or in your facial oils and creams of your face, helping you to reap the antioxidant benefits. You can also drop the oils on your drinks, your beverages, or your food to help boost immunity. Number 3. Eliminates germs. This oil, well known for killing germs and fighting against pathogens. Using citrus essential oil in homemade cleaning products is a perfect way to enjoy all natural antibacterial actions that citrus offers. Number 4. Immune system support. Citrus oil are known to effectively boost the immune system. Diffuse these fruity oils to enjoy an immune boost during cold and flu season, or use to recover from seasonal illnesses quicker. Number 5. Superb air freshener. Remove odors throughout the house and workplace with this citrus oil. Just add to a spray bottle with water, shake and squeeze into the air. Use as an air freshener, room spray or body spray. Also use citrus oil in a diffuser to purify the air. Number 6. Clean sticky surfaces and produce. Keep the surfaces in your kitchen, bedroom, rest of the home sticky free with citrus oil. Lemon is classic for this. When you add citrus oil to your cleaning recipes, they remove all the sticky messes on the counter. You can also clean produce by rinsing or soaking fruits and vegetables with them. Number 7 is anxiety and irritability. Citrus oil can help reduce the feelings of anxiety and irritability, as well as other mood disorders. They are known for their ability to balance mood and emotions. Inhale this beautiful oil to uplift your mood. Number 8. Boost energy. Citrus oil help to boost physical and mental energy levels. Is a great energizing oil to use in a diffuser in your home or workplace to help you get through the day. Number 9. Remove toxins from the body. Citric oil help remove toxins and impurities from body cells. Incorporate it as a soothing body massage oil and reap all the benefit. Number 10. Helpful to the skin. Mix citrus oil with your regular body oil, facial oil, or skin creams and use it on your body. This will help eliminates so many skin issues like eczema, acne, and blackheads from your skin. Number 11, support respiratory health. This essential oil I'm doing today helps so much because I'll be adding mint oil to it. So this oil is very important when you diffuse it in a warm water or hot boiled water and allow it to diffuse with the steam that comes out. This helps in respiratory system when someone has sinuses or blocked nostrils. It can relieve it and give a good smell of warmth and clear the air in the house. From what you're seeing right now in the video, I easily grated the lemon zest and the orange zest, while the tangerine zest was very difficult to come out. So I embarked in chopping them in pieces to get them to the reduced size that I want for making this citrus oil. As I'm done with the zest, I got them into an airtight container. This is my grapeseed oil. It's acting as my base oil, in which I will use to bring out all the properties and goodness in this citrus fruit zest. So these citrus fruit zests are rich in carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, folate, calcium, thiamine, niacin, vitamin B6, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, and a variety of phytochemicals. I gave it a good stir to let the oil mix well with all the zest so that all these ingredients and nutrients I've mentioned here can be well released into this base oil. I even added more to make sure that it's covering it very well. I covered the bottle jar very well, making sure that it's very tight, and I let this sit for 2 weeks by my window sitting. After staying for 2 weeks, I got it out and I filtered it. I separated the oil from the zest. I gave it a good shake. You can see the color, it has changed and become more orangey. This is my collecting bottle, and it's also my dispenser bottle. This is my orange essential oil to add more freshness and goodness and scent. This is my mint essential oil to add that a bit hotting effect, because this oil I'm gonna be using it for my skin, for my hair, and if you want you can add it to your bakery. When you're making cake, it can add good color to your cake and good aroma to your cake. So it's versatile. That's one of its benefits. The 12th benefit of this is versatility. You can use it all rounder. Okay, drop it in your beverages, drop it in your food, drop it in your snacks, your buns, cookies, and all that, to give you that orange aroma or citrus aroma, since it's not only orange. So you can gonna be mixing it with your skin face mask, your bathing water, whatever. Okay, anywhere you can use it. Just play around this oil. Is what you did on your own. Just try it out in many ways. Guys, this is orange essential oil. I will be dropping a few drops of it. It's not for me to say you love. I will also be dropping enough drops of the mint essential oil. This mint essential oil is good and soothing to the body, and it's good for the hair, for massaging the scalp. I gave it a good stir to make a homogeneous mixture of the oil and the essential oils. Now I pour it into my dispenser bottle for usage. Yeah. Yippee, the oil is ready. Yeah, for usage. I'm gonna be tasting it and rubbing it over my palm. You can use it in so many ways I've listed above that you can use it. Thanks guys for watching this video till this moment. Thanks for being part of this channel. If you are new, just go ahead and subscribe, okay? More stuffs will be coming on your way in this channel, and I appreciate and love you all. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, okay? Comment and share. Bye.
Bye.
It's not for me to say.